Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look like a mess, but that's besides the point. Reset with me. As you guys can see, I've already started with my bedding. I'm gonna wash that one, wash some of my school shoes, well, not school shoes, but like my sneakers and stuff, because they're all and then I'm gonna change my bedding because, well, it's been a minute, and also I need a change of scenery. Old bedding, new bedding. This is of course my favorite color. I'm gonna change this fitted sheet to this one, and then I owe my mom a new fitted sheet because I can't find mine. So great, even though it doesn't go with my color scheme, I would have loved this like gray or white. I'll just keep it because it's fresh. I'm probably gonna iron that later, but for now the bedding is done. Let me go wash the old bedding and put it away, and then maybe take a I'm gonna wash my bedding. And then I'm probably gonna have lunch because I'm hungry. I was gonna bath, but I'm hungry. And we're gonna have lunch. I am with my sister, and yeah, taking you guys along. place. First of all, lighting. Secondly, like it's beautiful. The ambience, the colors, like, can you guys see that? Anyway, we just ordered our starters and I'm getting my sister a little cocktail because she can't have alcohol. My mother will kill me. So yeah.
She doesn't ever worry. If she wants it, she'll get it on her own. And she knows there's more to life than she's scared of ending up alone. But you want up in the air. But you want up in the air for her. But you want up in the air. Someone to go get her right alone. But you want up in the air. But you want up in the air.
So guys, our drinks arrived and I am very happy. Like music, check. Thank you. So guys, our order for our starters just arrived and we're gonna taste it. Make that ham. Looks like, oh. This is nice. Scout wine. Yeah. Tastes bad. Ah, it's bad, but the chicken was nice. I'd give it a 4. So that thing is. I think it's better than this one. I don't know what made of it.
Leave you alone, you can't resist it, especially when the light's so bright and the money's so bright and it's on it every single night. She don't wanna leave,
we're now having our main course, and I got sirloin. I got a sirloin, whatever. I don't know. Then my sister got the Mozambican chicken, and yeah. Of course, she's gonna eat from my plate. Anyway, so we're having our main course now, and I ordered the sirloin with some chips. It's actually wedges, they look so good. And then my sister is having Mozambican chicken and some potatoes for a side. I don't know why she's eating my wedges because she has potatoes on her plate. But anyway, I'm doing that now, and then I ordered another cocktail because I don't think I'm gonna go out again. And she's gonna have cappuccino because it is a bit chilly outside. So yeah. Having siblings means that they're gonna taste your food all the time. Anyway, so we're now having dessert, and I got the strawberry sorbet, and she has the milk and honey platter, and it's cute shape. I like my strawberry. Anyway, so today I had lunch with my sister, and I think I might close off this vlog tomorrow on Sunday when we decide to go. Oh, we're having a family lunch for my grandma's birthday. She's turning 81, and yeah. I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but this is very sweet for me. For me, the sweet lover. I don't know. Too sweet. I think I would have loved it more if it had like more ice and it wasn't so sweet. I don't know. Or like a pinch of lemon and less sugar. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to yet another day of this vlog. Today I'm gonna go get snacks with my dad. Yeah, there's specific snacks that I want, and then I'm also going to be waiting for my dad to get his haircut. Yeah, and then we're gonna go have lunch because today's my granny's birthday. We're gonna go have lunch with my granny and the whole family. Everybody's coming together. So that's what we're gonna do. So
see, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence, so blame it on your measurements. Shutting shit down on sight. That's
when I come here, my favorite sweets are eating. Can I cry?
That's right. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know. To be honest, cause you be.
I know how my dad used to feel. He would wait for us after his salon, right? So they had to go buy the product that they use for his because it's finished. And yeah, guys, we
on your natural flash, you don't need it, huh? You could even put your sweats on for me. Yeah, 'cause I got the plug, I'll make it call for green. Oh, I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time.
La ka magala di COVID tse ka ra o ya no mba tsona di robeile tse a o mba tsona di robeile
tradition ela ya printing mo mo wa zo ela ai tlile le so
Buku